Hi folks, welcome to the Sirius project. My name's Todd. In today's video I'm going to give you a quick walk around tour of my router table slash cabinet that I built a number of years ago. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, first we'll start from out here. Let's take a quick look at the overall cabinet. I made this right after I learned how to make some rail and style type panels. So I got a left panel and a right panel. On the side of the cabinet are both rail and style construction. And the back as well. The top is a Rockler product. I really like using it. It's nice to swap out tools. I'll show you that in a minute. Now we'll take a look underneath the cabinet. You can see up in there, got a 3 1/4 horse Hitachi mounted in there. Bought this switch at Rockler as well, and plug it in so it's nice and easy to turn on. You can see down here I made this drawer, kind of jammed full of stuff. Did a little dovetail construction just to work with that jig. You can see it's kind of full. If I was going to do this cabinet again, I would redesign the drawer such that the drawer tucks into the cabinet instead of hanging out like this, because this little shelf here produces a nice little spot for sawdust to collect. In fact, when this thing is running, this whole bottom shelf here will fill up with sawdust. I'll show you a picture. I put it on lockable casters. The front 2 casters lock. The rear 2 casters are straight, and you might think it's odd the direction they're oriented. But the reason I did that is because when you're working on a router table and pushing stock through the blade this direction, the pressure is all going to the side, and so those 2 work like locking casters without having to crawl back and lock them. Alright, next I want to show you how easy it is to take the router out. I just push it up out of the cabinet like that. Quickly undo the plug. And the router's out. Now, I don't have to take it out in order to change the bit in there, but I take it out when I want to put in my quarter cable oscillating spindle sander. And with this plate, which you can also get at Rockler, specially made and cut for it, it drops right in as well. So now you can see my cabinet operates as a spindle sander as well as a router table. Now I built the cabinet with the intent of putting this Rockler top on it. You can buy the top separate from the Rockler supplied cabinets, and I liked mine a little bit better, plus I wanted to actually practice with the rail and style. It's built out of fir. I had some fir left over from another project, and I turned that into this cabinet. I think the last thing worth pointing out is that I made this whole cabinet without using a rail and style bit in a router table. I used the table saw. So I cut slots down the center in order to accept these internal panels. These panels here, and the side and the rails, and then I also cut slots down the edge in order to accept the rail that goes in this one. So there's a little tenon sticking out on this piece that goes into there, and then I just ripped filler material to fill that slot back up and keep it from collecting dust and such. You can see I filled it inside as well. Alright, well, that's the quick walk around. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Please leave me some comments. Let me know how I can make these videos better, or provide any more information that would make it more interesting. Thanks a lot.